You know, if you use a knife to cut that thing off, it's easier, right?
Oh, baby. What? Yeah.
What are you doing, baby?
What is that?
I'm gonna burn my food. My food is gonna burn. What are you doing? What are you doing? You've been rushing me to cook it so you can do that?
I have to cook it.
What?
I have to cook it.
Oh my god. I'm gonna burn my food.
Wow.
That's not how you cook it. Oh my god. That's not how you cook it, baby.
Yeah, Daddy, don't do that, Daddy.
Oh, it's faster.
What?
It's faster.
Who told you that's faster?
Me?
Baby, that's not how you cook it.
Yeah.
Get it off.
Get it off?
Yeah. That's hot too. I just turned it off. Just take the thing off. It's not hot yet. Yeah.
You're the hot.
I have to cook the
You're
cauliflower,
hot.
baby.
You're the hot baby ever.
Oh, my
hot.
poor baby. Okay, let me just show you. Oh, I hope I get a lot of
That's
views
what you
from
do.
this. That's what
You pretend you not know what you're doing, so then you don't have to do it. That's the trick.
Oh, no, that's not any trick. Do you know how to do
What
it?
about me? What about me? And this is what Daddy cook likes.